Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to accept files in LocalSend step by step. Whether you're receiving photos, videos, documents, or other files, accepting incoming transfers with LocalSend is quick, secure, and easy. So let's get started. First, make sure LocalSend is installed and open on the device that's going to receive the files. Connect both the sending and receiving devices to the same Wi-Fi or local network. Yeah, LocalSend needs both devices to be on the same network so they can discover each other. Next, wait for the sender to choose your device and start the transfer. When someone sends you files, LocalSend will display a notification showing the incoming transfer request, along with details such as the file names and total size. Carefully review the information, then click or tap the Accept button to begin receiving the files. If you don't want to receive the files, you can choose Decline or simply ignore the request, depending on the version of LocalSend you're using. Once you accept the transfer, the files will begin downloading directly over your local network. You can watch the progress until the transfer is complete. The time required will depend on the file size and the speed of your local network. After the transfer finishes, open the default download folder or your custom save location to confirm that all the files were received successfully. From there, you can open, move, or organize them however you like. And that's it. You now know how to accept files in LocalSend and receive transfers safely from nearby devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone!